God created the sky and the earth. At first, the earth was completely empty. There's nothing on the earth. Darkness covered the ocean, and God's Spirit moved over the water. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Then He separated the light from the darkness. God named the light. They named the darkness night. There was evening and there was morning. This was the first day. Then God made a space between the waters on the earth and the waters of the heavens. God called the space sky. This was the second day of the creation. Then God separated the land and the sea. He spoke, and grass, trees, fruit, flowers, and plants were all created. God saw it was all good. Then was the day of the creation. On the fourth day of the creation, God said, "Let there be lights in the sky." These lights will separate the day from the night, and it happened. He created the sun to give light in the day and the moon to give light in the evening. He also made all the stars. On the fifth day of the creation, God created all the many living things in the sea and every kind of bird that flies in the sky. And God saw that this was good. On the sixth day, God said, "Let the earth pronounce many kinds of living things. Let there be large animals and small crawling creatures of every kind, and let all these animals pronounce more animals, and all these things happen." Finally, God made man and woman in His image and likeness. He gave them rule over all His creation. They were to take care of the animals and the plants and flowers. God saw that all He had made was very good. On the seventh day, God rested from all His work.
Pachani van levele asirna tika volei chung mu zong a ngay lo pung san zong an ngay lo really pi chung mui nak ni a kwa iti chung chun pachan thok nak chu atthok ani ka nak a chun pachan ni Châu nak se tia ati I Châu nak chu ahong Châu nak chu azau I alom chung Châu nak le mui nak chu at den ha I Châu nak chu chun tia min asak I mui nak chu zan ti tia ati ani nak a pachan ni van aser pachan ni ti le tia at ten tu na ding cha a ku mi van pakhat in se lo ti cho hun nak ni at na se tia ati I chu tining chun a hung si van ko chu amin a van asak ani tum nak a chun pachan ni chun van thang I a mi ti chu hun khat a I phun na se lo van le kha nung nak se tia nol a pek I chun bang chun a hung si volei chu amin a volei a sak I a phun chermi ti chu really tia ati pachan ni ting thing ram a phun phun roll e a vui mi roll kong na le tia a thal mi thing kong na a ser ani li nak a pathian ni chun cheu nak ngan pipi pa ni hi asar na ni hi chun ok tu ding a asar i klap pa hi zan ok tu ding chang ding a asar sir ar fi zong kha asar na ani ni kanak a pathian ni chun rili chung i a ummi sir sang tinung pipi le ti nak i a thong mi tinung a phun phun le wa a phun phun ka a kha a asar na ani rok nak a pathian ni in zot zai ting a phun phun le ram lak saram a phun phun a mi hi angan hi asir na chun pathian ni minung chu ama mui lo in asir minung chu pathian mu in asir na mi pa le minu kha asir na pathian ni asir mi ta volte chu a zau i along a si ngai ni sir nak ni a pathian ni a thâu mi thiêu volte chu a lam na i chun ni a chun ren to lon a ni sir ni chu klong châu a back i a ding den a chi dây cha tia chu ni chu a tel sir a lam i ren tuan lo a nakasi